Hi, my name is Patricia, and I actually wanted to tell you my story and how I had a really rough time shedding my weight and everything. I was going through a painful time, and I was desperate for a solution, absolutely desperate to shed the pounds. So I turned to the internet for answers. But I didn't find any that really worked for me because all the free information there was either redundant or, extremely basic stuff. So yeah, I was looking for real answers. And that's when a friend of mine actually recommended this weight loss program. And I watched the sales video, and frankly, I was very skeptical. I mean, it promised a lot of things in a short period of time, but anyway, my friend said that it worked for her. So honestly, I just decided to finally take action instead of wasting my time looking for a magic solution that obviously doesn't exist. So yeah, this product is great. I mean, it's like actually a combination of PDFs and really interesting videos. And after going through everything, I learned about metabolic rates according to my body weight, height, and age. And this made planning the diet extremely simple. Needless to say, I was shocked. I mean, no wonder I wasn't having much success in keeping my weight off. I mean, I just wasn't doing things the right way at all. And in addition, the support was extremely responsive, and helpful, which is something you don't really see a lot nowadays. But anyway, if you're, struggling to lose weight, then I would highly recommend you grab this program by clicking the link below in the description. The only thing you have to lose, really, is the excess weight, considering that they have full money back guarantee for you. So, yeah, just one thing though. Please do come back after a week and write about your progress in the comments below. That would be great. So that's all. Yep, just click the link below and thank you for picking it up. I know you'll love it.